Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Andrew with Functional Medicine Marketing and Direct Primary Care Marketing. We specialize in digital marketing for functional medicine and integrative practices and also direct primary care practices. Our bread and butter is elbow grease marketing, is coming alongside you and doing what actually works in 2024. What is actually working? That's what we want to talk about today. Today's going to be short. I got a meeting in 13 minutes. And so we're going to dive right in. I'm going to do this. Come on, a little bit of a blue light there. That's better. That's better. So what's actually working in 2024 for digital marketing? We've talked about this a decent amount. If you haven't joined us before and you're just joining us for the first time, I am coining the term the tortoise method. So I'm going to share my screen here. There we go. The tortoise method. We're not actually selling this or anything. I just like this icon. And I like the concept of doing the hard thing and growing your business, not following the shiny, not following the magic pills and all the ads that claim they're going to get you 30 new patients in 30 seconds for 30 cents, or they'll buy you a boat. Drives me nuts. The best way to grow your practice is to buckle down, put your big boy pants on, and do the work. It's not easy. It's not fast. You'll hear about people that it goes really quickly. Maybe they have a connection for DPC. Maybe they come from a practice and they bring a bunch of people with them. Maybe they're naturally an influencer in their area on social media. That can work, but it's not necessarily a practical way of growing your practice. Now, social media plays into it, but I want to talk to you today about what's actually working, and it's right here. Why is SEO in the middle? So we've got this. This is what's actually working to grow businesses in 2024. These platforms, yes, social media, Google Ads, community involvement. I call it the dollar per day boosting campaign from Dennis Yu. I don't call it that. He calls it that. Doing live events, getting people involved, staying top of mind with email nurture. But SEO is at the center. Why? Because SEO has the two top most trusted platforms when it comes to online sources. Okay. So put your big boy pants on, do the work. It's hard. Make sure you're focused on the right platforms and don't get too distracted. Now, today, I want to talk to you about websites. Websites are really important, but keep in mind, just having a website, if you build it, they won't come. You can't just have a website. So make sure that your website isn't just a piece of art. Make sure that it makes sense. So we're going to actually analyze a few websites today. Let's go in and look at direct primary care in, you can see I'm in Colorado Springs, so that's where we're at. But let's do direct primary care in Oregon, just for fun. Oregon Direct Primary Care. All right, let's take a look at this website. Okay, so first of all, we got this massive amount of text that I'm not going to read. So when it comes to, we're going to look at kind of three different things. We're going to look at you know what? Let's do the goldfish test. The goldfish test comes from I kind of stole it. I'm not gonna lie. I stole it from Donald Miller's story brand. He calls it the caveman test. I think I call it the goldfish test. The goldfish test is you have less than 9 seconds to connect with people who are answering or asking these three questions. What do you do? How does it help me? And how do I get it? What do you do? How does it help me? And how do I get it? And we need to answer those three questions very clear and engaging. A lot of people opt for cleverness. Oh, it's got to be this clever tagline. No, you need clarity first and then go for memorable, go for engaging. Okay, so those are the three questions. We need to answer those questions above the fold. So the first thing that they see, they need to see what you do, how does it help them, and how do they get it? That's the call to action. Okay, so if we're looking here, we see direct primary care. Great. as long as they know what direct primary care is. After many years of conventional based practice, this is just a lot to read. Is your initial contact for aim to be a trusted source. This is great content, but it's, oh, this is the whole page. Okay. We need more content on here for sure. Okay. So just at a glance, we can see that they do direct primary care in Oregon. That's good. I think it could be better, but I think that's good. We also have the medical practice of Bert Burney, MD, which is good because some people are going to be looking not necessarily for direct primary care, but for Bert. Okay. Now, how does it help me? I don't see really how it helps me or how to get it. So definitely need some improvements here. Back to SEO, we want at least 900 to 1100 words on each page of the site. This clearly doesn't. This also is a perfect example of how open and wide open SEO is, and this for DPC. There's not a lot of competition. Companies are not doing SEO very much, and so that's why we've got this website that's showing up at the top of the list when it just literally the only thing that is benefiting the SEO is it's in the name, Oregon direct primary care. And that's what I searched. So the URL does play into it. Okay. So now let's check this one. Oregon Health DPC. All right. We got a little more engaging. Welcome to the new look of primary care. Close. Really, we'd prefer to address a pain point here, like the new look of primary care. The new look sounds like more of a branding thing. So I think that maybe could be improved by doing welcome to the new age, or the primary care solution. We have the primary care solution, something like that. That could be good. So what is it that you do? It's maybe primary care. We do see DPC, so that's good. We do see Oregon. How do we get it? Like, how do we get it is what should be the process? Like, what's the call to action? You should have a way for them to ask a question without signing up. So I like a discovery call with the doctor or something like that. Benefits and pricing is the main call to action, but that doesn't really, I mean, that's, people need to know that, but people should never be confused about what you want them to do. They should never have to use calories, brain power. They should never take time, really. As they're looking through your site and they're starting to trust you, they should know exactly what you want them to do to get started. So right now we're all over the place. We've got a contact form. We've got a learn more button here. Here's our services. Where do we want to direct them through the site? What do we want them to do? We want to reuse. So what I would do is I would leave benefits and pricing here, but make it not a button. I would add a button that says, schedule a discovery call with the doctor or something like that. And then add that button again. So free discovery call, free discovery call, free discovery call should be everywhere. Okay. What do you do? How does it help me? And how do I get it? Let's talk about how you use your messaging to speak to the patient and address their needs and what they're feeling, rather than talking about what you do. Do you get the difference there? The difference there is people are self-focused. We all are. Okay, yeah, I understand that you've solved the problems, that you have these accolades, and this is where you're located, and here's your services. But how does that help me? What does that mean for me? Do you understand my problem? So anytime you can talk about, are you frustrated about fill in the blank? On the functional medicine side, maybe it's, are you frustrated that your test came back quote unquote normal, but you know there's still a problem? See how I'm speaking to the patient instead of, we solve hormone issues, we solve thyroid issues, we solve GERD issues. That's we. You want to focus on them. Okay. Now, you still need to talk about you. You still need to talk about your services, but especially in the above the fold section, you want to speak to them and to their issues and then how you solve them. All right, let's try this one. Greatly improved value. greatly improved value. That's I can see how that would benefit an engineering kind of mind. Eliminate hassles. I like that. But what is eliminating what hassles? In what arena, what industry are we talking about? So I would elaborate on that, eliminating hassles of the normal primary care hassles. Direct. I'm going pretty fast today, so I'm just kind of blunt and honest. So these taglines need improved. We've actually found that you're going to get more engagement without doing this scrolling thing. Most people aren't going to read through this anymore. It used to be. I would pick one. I like this photo. That's fun. Talk about DPC eliminates the hassles of whatever, normal primary care hassles or something like that. Okay, what do you do? Primary care, direct primary care. It's pretty good. How does it help me? It eliminates hassles, so I'll give it a C. And how do I get it? I'm looking again, not seeing a clear call to action. This practice is not insurance. I like the clarity on the insurance. Contact us. Learn how DPC works. I guess that's what you want them to do. But once they learn it, what do you want them to do? Ooh, that's a lot to read. Okay, so keep that in mind. Have people do this. If you're at a coffee shop, ask some stranger, get a little weird, and ask them and say, hey, would you mind? I own a business and I want to show you my website. And I'm going to let you look at it for 9 seconds. And then I'm going to ask you a few questions just to see if you can answer them. There's no pressure. I just want to know if our website is clear. Because remember, clarity is always more important than cleverness. Clarity over cleverness every time. So go start with clarity. What do? Your direct primary care. You are direct access to the doctor. Here's the problems that you solve. We have access, we have expertise. You can text, call, video chat anytime, it's 24/7, those kinds of things. So we want to make sure it's very clear. I'm going to brag on one of our clients and my team a little bit. So we've got Link Primary Care's direct primary care practice. Finally, healthcare that fits your life. See, here it is. We're talking to the patient. It's healthcare. It's a personal doctor who knows you, access when you need it, the value you deserve. So what do? Healthcare that's fixing a problem. You've got a personal doctor. Okay, we've solved it. Now, how does it help me? It fits my life. How do I get it? I schedule a 15-minute consultation. I see that all of this up at the top. Okay, the best concierge direct primary care in St. Louis. It's clear. What do? It's clear. I love it. Okay, I love it because I did it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little selfish, a little narcissistic, I guess. Also, it does employer solutions. So what is direct primary care? So as people are asking, okay, more about it, then you give them more information. So very clear. See, we can skim these things without having to read everything. Unlimited doctor visits, primary wellness and urgent care, on-site pharmacy. Bam. How do I get it? I'm going to schedule a call. Ooh, here's benefits. We've got the pricing. We've got social proof. You can meet the doctors. We've got lots of videos. I love this site, by the way. It's very clear. Okay, so I got to run, but when you think about your website, I want you to take some time. I want you to go to your website and ask those 3 questions. What is it? What do we do? Do we see it in the top? Is it really clear what we do? And then how do we help people? Are we communicating to people or are we just bragging about ourselves? And then how do people get it? I highly recommend a free discovery call with the doctor. It's a way for people to ask questions. It shows that you're personal, that you're going to take the time. That's the whole point of DPC and functional medicine, integrative medicine. Also, you want to make sure you've got a form on every page of your site, if at all possible, so that they can, if they don't want to schedule yet, they just want to ask a question, right? They don't want to commit, and so they can just type it in. All right. It's been short. It's been sweet. Have a great website. Remember, you've got to do things to get people to your website. SEO is the core. That should be 2024's goal, is to increase your ranking. We can help. I'm happy to walk you through. That's the whole point of this Weekly marketing is, okay, what's working in 2024 and beyond for direct primary care practices, concierge medicine, functional, integrative, holistic, across the board. We're here to help. Let me know. We'll talk to you soon.